The percentage that each reselling app takes as a fee per sale can vary depending on several factors such as the item category, listing price, and additional services offered. Here's a general overview of the typical seller fees charged by some popular reselling apps. Poshmark. Poshmark charges a flat fee of $2.95 for sales under $15 and a 20% commission for sales of $15 or more. eBay charges a final value fee, which is a percentage of the total selling price including shipping plus the shipping cost. The percentage varies depending on the category of the item, typically ranging from 10% to 12%. Depop charges a 10% commission fee on the total transaction amount, including shipping costs. Mercari charges a flat 10% selling fee on the total sale amount, including shipping fees. Tradesy charges a flat commission fee of 19.8% on sales over $50. For sales under $50, the fee is $7.50 plus a 12.9% commission. Grail charges a 6% commission fee on the total sale amount, including shipping costs for standard accounts. For Grail Pro accounts, the commission fee is 9%. Vinted charges a flat fee of 5% on the total sale amount for most items. However, additional fees may apply for certain premium services. 3Up charges a consignment fee that varies depending on the selling price of the item. The fee ranges from 10% to 20% for items priced below $20 and decreases for higher-priced items. Facebook Marketplace does not charge a selling fee for most transactions. However, certain promotional features or services may have associated fees. OfferUp does not charge a fee for standard transactions. However, sellers can choose to promote their listings using paid features, which may incur additional charges. It's essential to review each platform's fee structure carefully before listing items for sale to understand the potential costs involved. And ensure that you're pricing your items appropriately to cover these fees while still generating a profit.